There is a fascinating new attraction that's transforming the way people experience coffee. It's called the M1 Coffee Fantasy Factory, a massive, immersive theme park dedicated to the world's favorite brew. And there's a lot Jamaica can learn from what's happening there. Marlon Samuels gives us a closer look.
The M1 Coffee Fantasy Factory in Hainan, China is redefining the coffee experience with a unique blend of culture and technology. It's a massive theme park, offering visitors an immersive journey through coffee, from bean to cup, with giant machines, interactive exhibits, and hands-on workshops. Nestled amid tropical plants and waterfalls, it highlights Hainan's rich coffee heritage grown in volcanic soil. This innovative approach not only celebrates local culture, but also attracts tourists eager for unique experiences.
Here in China, we have like our local brand like Volcanic, but today here we are in Hainan, and I tried their coffee here. It's called M1 Dream Coffee, and I think the coffee here has a very strong flavor. It's not like that Lucky's like big brand flavor, but it has its own flavor because everything from the beans to its processing progress, it's done here locally. So it has a very strong feature here, and I really like the latte here.
肯定是有帮助的。我们
because we've joined a lot of different coffee bidding around the world, and from the results we've noticed the coffee beans, if they want to get a really high price, their production area shares some similarities. The first, most of them have active volcano. Second, they are at really high latitude. And the third, they have large temperature difference between the day and night. And number four, most of them are islands. So we believe the vocation soil is very beneficial for the planting of coffee trees and coffee beans.
Visitors can learn traditional roasting, brewing techniques, and taste local favorites, coffee, mixed with condensed and coconut milk.
我们现在呢，海南最大的优势就是我们
currently in Hainan, the largest advantage we have is that we are focusing on high and small quality production. So now we value quality more than quantity. When we don't focus that much on the yield and the production volume, we'll be able to adopt more environmental friendly management issues to ensure the balance between our production and the environment.
Jamaica, home of world-renowned Blue Mountain coffee, can take inspiration from this to further elevate Blue Mountain coffee on the global stage. Reporting from the Coffee Fantasy Factory in Hainan, China, I am Marlon Samuels for the news on PBCJ.